Salutations, this is Science TV, the show where you learn about science and things. I'm your host, Chase. I'm Australian, and I have no ability to speak softly.
And I'm Tyler.
There's no time for introductions. We have to go outside. It worked. Every living organism in the history of organisms have gone through the cell cycle. Oh crikey, it's cold. I need to go back inside. That's better. As I was saying, every living cell in the history of mankind has gone through the cell cycle, including this one and this one. This complex cycle includes 4 phases: the G1 phase, the S phase or the synthesis phase, G2 phase or the preparation phase, and finally M phase, which includes cytokinesis and mitosis. Let us start at the very beginning, the G1 phase. In the G1 phase, the cell is growing and making new organisms and proteins simultaneously. This is the process of G1 phase.
Hey, it's Tyler. It's okay. He's always that mean to me. It's only because I'm not Australian.
No, it's because you're dumb.
Anyways, the next step is the S phase. Here's where the synthesis of DNA molecules and the replication of chromatin takes place. Chromatin is loose flowing DNA wrapped around proteins. Like bacon hot dogs. Bacon hot dogs. But anyways, let's go more into depth with DNA replication. Once then, a new pair comes in and matches with each old half, resulting into 2 identical chromatin.
Exactly right, Tyler. You're still an idiot, though. Next, the cell goes back into the period of growth called the G2 phase. Also, the cell makes more organelles required for mitosis. This is very like the G1 phase, hence G1 part 1 and G2 part 2. Next is when it gets complicated. Back to you, Tyler.
Thank you, Chase. The M phase begins with the first step, prophase. In prophase, chromatin condenses and coils up to form chromosomes, like this. Also, the nucleus breaks down, and in the centrioles, spindle fibers start to form. Let me clarify what a chromosome is. A chromosome is a thread-like structure containing DNA of an organism. After 2 chromatin condense and coil, they form a chromosome. But both arms of the chromosome, or both sister chromatids, are still individual chromosomes.
After the chromatins have coiled up to form new chromosomes, the process of metaphase can occur. The chromosomes will line up in the middle of the cell where the spindle fibers from the centrioles will attach to the centromeres or the middle of the chromosomes, like 2 angry women going after the same cute skirt on Black Friday. From here, anaphase can occur. That's when the spindle fibers that are already attached to the sister chromatids pull it to the opposite ends of the cell. Still like the angry women at Black Friday, still fighting over the same cute shirt. They then realize if they cut it in half, they can get it half off. I saw that first.
No, I saw it first.
I saw it first. Mine! Mine! Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay.
And now the final part of mitosis is ready, which is called telophase. From here, the chromosomes on both sides begin to relax and form back into chromatin. Spindles detach and begin to break apart, and a nuclear envelope will start to form around each group of chromatin. A nucleus will start to appear in each daughter nucleus, and that's it for now. Finally, cytokinesis can begin.
You're such a moron.
You know what? I'm so done with you.
You want money?
You won't,
wanna
Mike.
go?
You won't.
Want to go? Ow, stop it. I'll sell you. Stop it. I'll sell you. I'll sell you. I'll sell you.
Are we ready? Alright, let's finish. Finally, as I was saying before I got rudely interrupted, cytokinesis is a part of the M phase, but not a part of mitosis. There are now two nuclei with a duplicate set of chromatin. Cytokinesis now occurs and it activates the cell membrane to pinch in the middle and cut the two nuclei into two new cells. That is the end of the cell cycle. Shut up! Hey, you want to do cancer cells for me? I'll cut you free. Alright, come on. Come on. Speak.
Well, some things like tobacco, radiation exposure, and even viral infection can cause uncontrolled cell growth to occur, and cancer cells are born. Then, the cells divide uncontrollably and form masses of cells called tumors. Tumors are very deadly and cause millions of fatalities every year. Now will you cut me?
Yeah, whatever, man. Whatever. Stop! Stop! Stop!
So this is like real blood. Like, we were filming and I started having a nosebleed, so just want to let you know that Tyler didn't punch me.